Okay, Obama's last name using math. So, you're going to use the guess theory in order to find his last name. But we are not substitute teachers, so we don't require the ESS right here. We just require the GU. So, with the GU, what you're gonna do is G is the given information. The given information is Obamian, which is obviously this. And then the understanding, or what you're looking for, is his last name, obviously. So what you're gonna do is the given information you'll have to convert it to 2D because you're going to be using the Pythagorean theorem. But because it is an equilateral triangle, you will need to split it into half to get two right triangles. So that means a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That is the Pythagorean theorem. So, if a squared plus b squared minus c squared equals 0, and 0 equals O, then you could just use the equation O plus a squared plus b squared minus c squared. And so we're just going to kind of expand everything to O plus a times a plus b squared minus c times c. And the Obamas are very, very, very tricky. So what you're gonna do is remove all positive and negative symbols. So that will give you OAA by b squared by cc. Now the saying is go home or go square. And honestly, we want to go home, which is getting the answer of his last name. So we don't want to go home. So we don't want to go square. So we're gonna remove this, and eventually, what you get is you're gonna remove it on this equation, and you're gonna remove this multiplication sign, and then what you get is OAABCC. And we're going to optimize the utility of congruency. So according to the laws of congruency, anything that is the same size and shape can be merged together. So these two C's can be merged into a figure, such as this, readable to the human eye as M. So what you get is OAABM. And if you convert that into something readable to the human language of English, you get this. Now, if I say their name, they'll get me. Like, they will chase me around the world. So that is why I cannot say the name. But this is how you get Obama's last name.